Competitive sports instill numerous values in students' lives, like discipline, confidence, and teamwork.
But when we think of competitive sports, we often leave out the sports of the mind. Today, living storyteller Erin Valle met up with a local robotics team who brings a competitive spirit to the world of STEM.
So, are you smarter than a 15-year-old? Because I don't think I am. These super scream bros of Macon County 4-H robotics are taking on a state competition this weekend. These young men have put in countless hours of work, so I caught up with them as they prepare for the big event. It's school all day for these young men, then homework, and then practice. But many of these 7th through 11th grade students would rather code than play basketball because, well, they're pretty good at it.
I hope to do something related to computer science because I do a lot of coding-related stuff outside of robotics as well. 15-year-old Benjamin Suko is the lead programmer for the Macon County 4-H Super Scream Bros robotics team. There are roughly 900 teams like theirs in Illinois, but this group is one of 44 to make it to the Illinois First Tech Challenge State Championship. We have been putting in a lot of hours. For this year's competition, teams are challenged in an event called Skystone. The goal? Program a robot which can stack these Lego-like stones into a tower. But the trick is that the robot must fit into this 18-inch sizing box, which means it needs to fold.
My job is to inspire them, to challenge them. I really try to give them as many options as possible and make them make the decisions.
By day, Jeffrey Suko is a design engineer at Caterpillar. But by night, he's here working with these students.
It's really rewarding to share basically what I do at work with these guys. The problem is that I get like several years to develop a machine at Caterpillar. They get a couple months. So that's the most challenging part.
Jeffrey says robotics is a way for students to invest themselves in STEM-related careers. His students even program in Android Studio, the same software you'd use to program an app for an Android cell phone. But also,
they program in Java, they use Git extensions, so they use what you would use in the real world to do professional programming.
But while participating in robotics is certainly a good starting point for a career in tech, it's also very much a sport.
We consider this a sport of the mind.
And just like any sport involving dedication, nerves, and sportsmanship, there's also immense pride in a job well done.
I mean, how could you not be proud of that thing? It's crazy seeing something do something so well and knowing that I made that and that I can do more than that and I can do big things in the future.
So the team's motto for this year is "A rising tide raises all ships." They've shared notes and ideas with 2 other Macon County robotics teams, and now all 3 of them are going to state.
Very
nice.
Cool.
I know.
Very impressive.
They're so cool. I love these kids. And also, so if they place at state, they go on to the World's competition in Detroit. So we'll have to stay updated with them and see how they do this weekend.
Little follow-up.
Keep track of them and let us know how they did.
I will.
Wait to hear.